LK Lifestyles Videos presents a paleo, keto, grain-free, and gluten-free bread that might just change your life. When you live a grain-free or paleo life, finding a bread-free alternative is hard. You may find yourself missing the sandwich experience, and you may want to have a hamburger on a bun. So here's a recipe that you are just going to be amazed by, and it's so easy that anyone can make it. Using simple, easy-to-find ingredients, you can have bread in your paleo life again. The secret ingredient in these rolls is whole psyllium husks. This fiber will make your rolls springy and stretchy without the gluten. Here at LK Lifestyles, I offer short, easy videos to help improve your paleo life. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get new videos every week. Here's what you will need to make amazing keto and paleo rolls. 3/4 of a cup almond flour, 1/4 of a cup coconut flour, 1/4 of a cup flax meal, 1/6 of a cup whole psyllium husks, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds plus some for topping the rolls, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of warm water. Now let's make the rolls. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, add all of the dry ingredients and mix with a fork to remove the lumps. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix with a fork. The mix will look wet, but it will also absorb the liquid quickly. Using a spoon, place 5 equal portions of the mix on parchment paper on a baking sheet. Using your hands, shape the rolls and top with extra sesame seeds, pressing them lightly into the rolls. Bake the rolls for 30 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees or until they are round, firm, and brown. Allow the rolls to cool on a rack for about 20 minutes. These rolls are so versatile that you can serve them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Try them with Eggs Benedict and Hollandaise sauce. If you want more great paleo ideas, subscribe to LK Lifestyles now. More new videos are coming every week.